It's time for a struggle challenge. Let's see what inquisitive things you have for me today. All right, I just got 5 corn on the cob, and we aren't that big on corn on the cob, but we eat corn anyway. What a mouthful. Any ideas on how to best use them? That's a great question. Let's see what else you got in the fridge. Corn on the cob! Immediately, I'm thinking of like Mexican-style street corn, which is elotes, right? But you don't want the corn on the cob. So, if we grill the corn and then mix it up with the mayo, the cheese, and the spice, cut it off the cob, then we've got esquite. Let's see what we got in this kitchen to make it happen. Chili powder. We gotta top it with cilantro. And then, looks like we got some kind of fresh cheese here. We're gonna make a little sauce that we're gonna mix this up in. So sour cream, butter, and mayo. Let's see what that does. Lime's here. Got a little bit of raw onion happening. First thing we gotta do is cook these up. Fast way to shuck it is to just kind of, that didn't work. Rip the top as hard as you can. Let's get some flames happening here. I don't have a grill, but I do have open flames. Fire and corn is elemental, right? This is gonna give us smoky summertime loving right now. If you don't have a gas stove, put these under the broiler on a sheet tray and maybe rotate them every 3 minutes. This one's beautiful. Here we go. I love the charred blackness you get from a direct flame, and it smells great. All right, we need a bowl so we can cut all the corn off the cob. Now the corn is high up, right? If I don't have this here, I'm down here and I have to get on a steeper angle with the knife. So we'll do that. Take it right off the cob. Hit this with a little bit of butter because you can't go wrong with a little bit of butter. Now we're gonna come in with mayo. The idea is to create a creamy encapsulation of each corn kernel. Mayo, butter, fantastic. Slice up a tiny bit of cilantro here. Cut just a little bit of onion here. So this is a chili powder, and I can taste a little bit of cumin in it. It's definitely spicy, so it's probably like cayenne, maybe the tiniest bit of cumin. Sounds great to me. Let's squeeze some lime in there just for balance. A little bit of salt. Street food, straight up. I'm loving the way this looks. What this is, I'm not entirely sure. We're gonna find out. This is tortilla. Briny as could be. So come with that cheese like that. Now you hit it again with some hot stuff. Spoon in, lime right there. Individually blackened kernels of corn. Colors, texture, that's a 10. It's a 10. So check that out. 10 on looks, 10 on taste. This is a perfect score. Find me a better corn off the cob dish. I'll wait, really. Thanks for this challenge. It's a winner.